Hello there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. I just wanted to show you my dining room table legs. Yep, we're under the table, but this is the best way I can show you how great they truly are. First of all, we love the fact that we were able to add our own tabletop to these legs. We did like a live edge wood, and these were the perfect addition to the rest of the table. Now, they are very strong and very sturdy. They actually have little adjustable feet at the bottom to make sure that everything you want is actually level. They are a beautiful matte black, which is what our family preferred because it just blended into the rest of the background. They didn't stick out like a sore thumb. Now these here, also pro housekeeping tip, they're very easy to dust. They show everything so that it's okay because you could just do a quick little dusting over it and they look brand spanking new again. I absolutely love that fact. So we decided to get the matching legs to make a matching long bench for one side of our table. We love them, they are sturdy, and that is my point of view.